Hello, my fellow car enthusiasts. I'm back with an exciting update for all of you. I recently attended a car show, and it was a treat for the eyes, if I may say so myself. The show had some truly spectacular vehicles on display, a testament to the passion and talent of their owners. Now, here's the interesting part. During the closing section of the show, I was lucky enough to capture some cars leaving on video. It was quite an experience witnessing these beauties driving out in such perfect alignment. It's moments like these that make car shows so special and memorable. So, for those of you who weren't able to attend the show in person, here's your chance to catch a glimpse of these incredible cars leaving in formation. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Thank you all for tuning in and showing your love for all things automotive. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more thrilling content like this. Until next time, keep those engines revving.